Hello friend, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see the top 6 Japanese movies which was released in 2019 and 2020 and which are worth of watching. So on number 6 there is the Japanese movie whose name is Not Quit Dead Yet. And Not Quit Dead Yet is a movie which is a 93 minutes movie, and it is a comical story about a college girl in an underground death metal band. She is a band girl the band's name is Underground Death Metal, who hates her argumentative and overly logical father. She hates her very much, and he is the CEO of a pharmaceutical company, and after taking a medicine that kills you for a bit, he sort of become a ghost. He go on the temporary dead, and he is declared as a temporary dead. So what will happen next, how their relationship changes, how the daughter is happy for her father's temporary dead, and after how she becomes even sad for the same thing. Go and watch this, and it is a very comical story, and you will really enjoy this movie whose name is Not Quit Dead Yet. On number 5 there is the Japanese movie which is called as The First Love. The First Love is a Japanese movie, and it's the movie of a young boxer and a prostitute. One night in Tokyo, a self-confident young boxer and a prostitute get caught up in the drug smuggling plot involving the organized crime, corrupt cops, and a female assassin. This young boxer helped the prostitute to get out this, and he helped from against the cops, and how their relationship changes, how they grow their feeling for each other in this. So go and watch this movie, and this is also a very dramatic, the thriller, the suspense love movie. So go and watch this movie whose name is The First Love. On number 4 there is a Japanese movie which is called as the Watoki Love is Hard for You. Watokai Love is Hard for You is a Japanese movie in which a girl whose name is Narumi Momose is a female office worker who hides her Fujoshi otaku lifestyle. And what is the Fujoshi otaku lifestyle? Go and watch this movie and you will come to know. At her new workplace, she meets her old childhood friend Hirotaka. Hirotaka is a handsome and a capable company man, and he is her childhood friend. So he is capable company man who is a game otaku. And what is a game otaku? Go and watch this movie and you will come to know. I will not reveal the truth. The two seems perfect for each other, but love is difficult for otaku. So why love is difficult for otaku, and why this is given as love is difficult for it? Go and watch this movie. You will really enjoy this movie. This is a romantic comedy movie which will give a very laugh, which will also make you sometimes touchy. So go and watch Wotakoi Love is Hard for You. On number 3 there is a Japanese movie which is called as Until I Met September's Love. This is a Japanese movie in which a girl whose name is Shiharu Kitamura just moved to a new apartment. She works at a company, and a man whose name is Susumi Hirano lives next door to her. He aspires to become a novelist. One evening, Shiharu hears a man's voice coming through her wall saying, "I am in the future." That is, I am in the 1 year later today. The voice asks to trail the Susumu. She is unable to hear the man's voice anymore. To solve the mystery, Shiharu begins to follow the Susumu, and she gets attracted to him. So go and watch this time travel, just like a time travel movie, and you will really love this. This is not a time travel movie which is a very thrilling and suspense. It is a very romantic movie. It is also a very comedy movie. It is also a happy movie. So go and watch this movie Until I Met September's Love. You will really like this movie. So I have kept this movie on number 3. On number 2 there is a Japanese movie which is called as The Drudgery Train. It is a story of a man who lives in a destitute life with alcohol and peeped show until he met a clerk, a girl at a used workshop. A girl who works in a bookstore. Things get complicated and difficult when the relationship develops anyway in his friend's hut, who is the boy who lives in a destitute with alcohol. He is very alcoholic boy, but he met her in a bookstore, and the drudgery train is detected, and how the life changes, how everything changes, how become very good, and after that how become very worst. Go and watch this movie. You will really enjoy this movie. That's why I have kept this movie on number 2. You will really enjoy this movie. Go and watch this movie, The Drudgery Train, and you will see a very unique plot. This is not a usual story like a love story and then end it with a happy ending or a sad ending. No. Go and watch this movie and it will give you many ups and downs. So The Drudgery Train was on number 2. Now on number 1, it's come Last Letter. Last Letter is the 2020 Japanese movie. In this, the Yuru Kishibeno attends her sister reunion to inform them about her sister's death. A misunderstanding occurs at the reunion, and Yuri Kishibeno is mistaken for her late sister Misaku Tono. Yuri Kishibeno meets her first love, Kyoshiro Otosaka, who mistaken believes she is a Misaki Tono. So go and watch this movie. This is a very suspense movie, also very confusing movie where the misunderstanding develops in everyone's mind and how everything leads to the end. Go and watch this movie. It is also a beautiful movie, a happy movie, a sad movie, a emotional movie, a thrill movie, and which will make you laugh, also which will make you cry, also which will make you emotional, also which will make you the suspense, the thrill. Go and watch this movie, which is a mix of emotion, full of emotion, and this is my personal favorite movie. That's why I kept this on number 1. But you will also love this movie. This is not my personal recommendation. Go and watch this movie. On the Google also, it is very high. It also have very high ratings on Google because of its plot, because of its story. It is also very unique story, and it is released in the 2020 January 2020 in Japanese movie, and it was a hit movie. Go and watch this movie, Last Letter, and there is a many character which belongs to us, which will really relate to us, and we will really enjoy this movie. Also we will get to see how the relationship gets ups and downs. So go and watch this movie.